Okay, here is another video, so please subscribe and I will be bringing more videos very soon. And this video is going to be about how to arrange, maybe you probably have arranged, I didn't really think about the title for this video very properly, but how to arrange your concepts very easily and very classically so you can, arrange your sketches in a very more orderly manner. This is just how I pour my imaginations down onto paper. And nothing should surprise you guys. I mean, evidently, like, wait, this is another confusing video about sketches. I don't know, I like sketches a lot, and they just like the base of everything, and they just contain everything. So I guess that's what it about sketches I love, and it just really gives everything. So let's just get to it. So this actually is just a sketch of a girl, and I guess what I do is that I just what I used to advice I give a lot is to retweak everything, is to auto tune and readjust like your life depends on it. That's the thing that works for me. I mean, I always look for parts of something and just keep adjusting, and keep pushing slightly forward until as I go back a little and push more forward again, and go back a little, push more forward again. So what I do, that's what I do. Then that's how you get the best out of your work. It's not really like you just you have to keep retweaking, tweaking until you get past that wall that makes it look bad. So you just keep tweaking. So if whenever you start your art or you start to sketch, what I want you to do is start bad. Like you just start simple, like a circle, then just keep adjusting. No matter, and if yes, I remember. If you have any questions, please remember to put it in the comments. Anyway, so and that's one of the things. I mean, when I was doing this, I just like was pouring my mind out. I'm talking really fast in this video because I was like really sleepy. So anyway, so and yeah, and this actually gives a lot of ideas and concepts very quickly, and this actually makes it easier for you to like understand what you're doing. Yeah, this makes it easier to understand what you're doing. I mean, like I don't really care about uh, the because you just because it's just that you just make flaws easily, and you usually make mistakes, and these mistakes you correct themselves. And this sketch is not. I didn't really get to color this sketch. I just wanted to draw it on my system, and I thought maybe I should just show you guys. I just show you this idea. So and yeah, I think it looks really okay for me. Okay, but not really. I don't know if it's color worthy, but it looks cool. It looks really cool. And yeah. So I don't really feel mad, and so I don't yeah. So here's this. It looks really great. It looks really good. I'm just sketching. So pardon me. I'm just pouring myself all over the place, like really fast. Just giving everything all I got, and it just looks really good. And yeah, so I think I like it. I think I like this concept, this free sketch, and it looks really great. And the idea just keeps flowing up and down, and yeah, it looks really nice. Okay, so yeah, I think this is really cool because you see, I'm just adjusting everything to give something really more different, more special. I tried to replace the legs because I tried to like give it more insect like body. Remember, questions in the comments, please. Questions in the comments. And remember to subscribe, please, and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much. Yep. Alright, so, and I just decided to like work my way up with the coloring, and this is just so cool. I mean, I just kind of like work my way up with the color, and I didn't color this art. I don't know why I didn't color it. I don't know why I just, I don't know why. I am sorry, guys. I just don't know why I didn't give a fuck about this card, right? Anyway, so I think that that's the thing. So, yep. Okay. Okay. So, what else? What else? What else? What else? What else is here that I need to give this art? What else is here that I need to, make this? And, yeah. Okay. So, let's see. And this is looking great. This is looking excellent. I just work my way up with that. She and the little robot. She looks really good. I mean, to be honest, she looks really cool. And I think that this actually makes a lot of sense. I mean, this is great. It's cool, right? I mean, yeah, how am I praising my own work? That's a little narcissistic. I shouldn't be praising my own work. I mean, you guys should be the one praising my work. I mean, my work. I mean, like, sorry. I mean, I just like it personally because it's one thing I like. So I'm just appreciating my work. So sorry. You guys are cool and your works are awesome. And yeah, and also just and I want to guess my advice here is that you just need to readjust, 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 and readjust again, and again, and again. That's all, right? That's all. And this is actually how it works. It's very simple. It's very easy. Uh, it's the best way I've ever done any of these things. And I'm happy to really be able to show you guys how I do these things. I'm really happy, and I hope you guys are subscribing to my channel because I just wish you guys could help me out. And thank you very much for putting a lot of work, and thank you very much for putting a lot of views, and thank you very much for giving me the attention that I need for my channel to grow. And I will be seeing you in my other videos. So I really appreciate what the attention you give my videos, and this is more like a thank you video rather than just this is always not really a good thank you video because it's just a sketch anyway. It's not really that great anyway, but I think thank you very much, and please subscribe if you are new to this video. And what else? What else have I forgotten? Have I forgotten something? Have I forgotten something? Not really. Have I? Okay. So I guess it's time to go. And ooh, look at that. I guess decided I wanted to remove that thing from my head. But as a last minute thing, I think it's good. I think it's really good. Wait. So yeah. Anyway, so this looks really good. So yeah, Anyway, I just changed my mind about that thing on Tom Forehead. I don't know why I changed my mind, but I just changed my mind. Anyway, so thank you very much for watching, and bye. Bye.